Hello and welcome to another free content creation method by How to Webmaster. In today's video, discover how to get free fresh new content for your blogs and websites. Okay, let's get started. This method involves using foreign news websites and then using the automatic Google Translator feature to translate the news content into English. Back in the old days, marketers and bloggers would take English content and then use Google Translator to change the content into 2 or 3 different languages and then finally change back to English again. In the end, you have an article that is maybe around 50 to 70% unique and it doesn't read very well. But with my strategy that I'm showing you today, this is much simpler and you get a totally unique and highly readable articles with one click. All you have to do is find a foreign news site and use the Google Translate button and you will have fresh unique content to use. Here's an example. This is a Vietnamese news site about cryptocurrency. You can click the Translate button here from the Google search results. Or you can visit the site and a Google Translate button should pop up somewhere. Okay, so how do we know that this content is unique? All you have to do is highlight a small portion of the translated content, about 7 to 9 words or so. Then do a Google search for these exact words in quotation marks. If it shows no results, then this means the translated content is 100% unique. Here's the thing though, not all foreign news website with translation will be unique. Just like this other example here from another Vietnamese translated news site that is very popular. As you can see, over 1,000 other sites have this exact translated news article. Therefore, you should avoid using the big news sites. Overall, this strategy will work for just about any niches. All you have to do is search for your niche keywords and find news sites or any type of sites in another foreign language. There are a lot of other languages out there in the world and not just English. Also, I will encourage you to rewrite the translated article and put your own unique spin to it for the best results in terms of quality content for your audience. Okay, I hope this helps in your content strategy. Check out below in video description for more content creation strategies from How to Webmaster. Thank you for viewing and until next time, happy blogging.